Hi, I am Dr. Niranjan Patil, Head of Department, Micro and Molecular Biology at Metropolis Healthcare Limited Global Reference Lab. Today, I am here to share critical information on COVID-19 testing related to novel coronavirus with details of specimen collection, packaging, transportation and also processing of the sample. Wear the mask. Hold the mask in front of the face. Place the strings at the back of your head. Adjust the nose clip and do the final adjustment with the strings. Air should not escape from the sides of the mask while exhaling. Phase B. Now we will see how to use the personal protective equipment, also known as the PPE. It contains a gown, one N95 mask, a pair of goggles, a pair of gloves which are powder free. Before we wear a personal protective equipment, do a hand rub. Follow the 6 steps which should take around 30 seconds. After the palms are dried completely, which should take few seconds, wear the N95 mask, wear gown, pull the gown over the head, insert your arms and lock the gown behind your back. Wear the goggles and finally wear the gloves. Phase C. Fill the consent and the TRF at this stage. Offer hand rub to the patient and take patient signature on the TRF. Discard the pen in the offer the mask to the patient and collect the sample on priority to reduce the exposure to the others. Remove the nasopharyngeal swab stick from its wrapper. This should be of nylon or rayon tipped only. Measure the distance between the earlobe and the nostrils. The swab should be inserted half of this distance. Ask the patient to sit and relax. Explain the procedure to him. Ask him to extend his neck by tilting it slightly facing the roof. Insert the swab gently into the nostril along the floor of the nostril slowly till the desired length. Keep the swab there for few seconds to absorb the secretions and remove slowly while rotating 3 to 5 times to ensure it touched the inner sides of the nostrils in an unscrewing motion. Place the swab in the viral transmission medium, also called as the VTM. Break the swab stick from the designated point. Close the VTM vial. For the throat swab, which is also called as the oropharyngeal swab, ask the patient to open the mouth and protrude the tongue. Place the wooden spatula on the tongue to depress the tongue using the wooden spatula so that the back of the throat is visible. Swab the back of the throat, avoiding the tongue and the saliva while inserting as well as removing the swab. Place in the VTM and close the vial. In case, place the samples in a Ziploc along with the absorbent material. Place this in another container or a second Ziploc bag. Then place it in the thermocol box, which should have a biohazard label from outside. Place this thermocol box in another big size third Ziploc bag. Place the TRF and the consent form outside the Ziploc bag in a fourth Ziploc bag. Now remove the PPE while exiting the patient house near the door. Remove the gown inside out and then discard them in the yellow bag. Gloves to be discarded in the red bag. Remove the mask outside the patient house. Remove the lower strings followed by the upper strings. Discard the gloves in the red bag. Remove